Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Anisha Shingan. I'm an AI instructor. Today I'm going to share with you the AI roadmap for 2025. If you are looking to switch your career into AI and you want to transit your career in AI, this is the right place for you and this is the right video for you. Even if you want to learn the AI from scratch, I am going to guide you step by step. I'm going to share my more than 8 years experience, like what kind of problems students face when they transit to a career into AI. And they are so confused when they start learning the AI from where they should start and what problems they will face, how much time it will take to transit to a career. Okay. So we are going to discuss all these things in this video, and I will also share some external resources and how you can use those resources to achieve your goal. We will help you. If you have any questions regarding this, you can post your comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel before watching this video. So let's start. So today's agenda is why you should transit your career in AI. If you are thinking to transit your career in AI and you have already want to transit your career in AI, this is the best decision ever you have taken for your career. Second topic, we are going to discuss introduction to AI. What is AI? 99% beginners don't know what is AI. They count everything is AI. But this is not the case. I will explain you today how to build a strong foundation in AI and how to prepare yourself for job market. So after completing, either you are doing degree from the university or college and you want to do the boot camp, and after completing all these things, the big question mark for each student, how we will get the job, how I will get the job without any experience. I will guide you on those. If you follow it strictly, you will never regret. You will definitely get the job. Okay. So here we go. The very first thing I would like to discuss why you should transit your career in AI, because there are limitless opportunities available. Maybe you are thinking, I am in a healthcare like a department, I am in a automobile department, I am in a real estate industry. I'm working there since more than 15 years, 8 years, 7 years, so many years, right? So we thought, no, this is not a right to transit my career now in AI. What is the use? Will I get the job or not? Right? So many questions come up in your mind. I understand, right? But now the biggest advantage of AI is AI work within each domain. You can use your previous experience by learning the AI tools, and you can implement those tools, and you can save your current job as well, and maybe you will get the promotion because you have done the AI. So this will help you. Okay. How? For example, if you're working in a healthcare department, right? So you have seen many machines are come up of which is programmed using AI, which helps the doctors to prepare the reports and diagnosis the disease of the patients, right? If we talk about heart disease, sugar, diabetes, so these are the common diseases, right? This is determined or this is predicted by the AI machines. So it is not going to take the job away from you. It will give you the more opportunities. It will open the door for you for the more the new job positions in the market in the upcoming years. Okay. And be a part of cutting edge technology, yes, because we know this is the hottest technology now all around the world. And in the upcoming years, there will be so many million billions jobs will be available in this technology. This is a high demand and rewarding careers. This is all we know, right? So learn and create continuously. If you are a continuous learner and you are curious at each and every step and you want to keep yourself updated according to the technology, then AI is the best like the career choice for you, and transform your passion into like purpose. Because like for example, if you like come up with some ideas, like you want to build a machine learning model, you want to build some kind of software which forecast the like weather, maybe you want to build your own, so AI can help you to convert your like the passion into purpose, right? You can build a machine with the help of AI. There are so many other examples. I have given you the very common example, but this is like there are so many reasons apart from this as well. But these are the top 5 reasons you should switch your career into AI. Okay. If you have any question, please feel free to post your comments in the comment box. Okay. Now we will move ahead with the our second topic, what is AI? In my career, I have seen many students, they do degrees from the reputed universities, they do the boot camps, right? And they are learning the AI from like since 4 months, 3 months, 6 months, right? But they are not able to explain properly what is AI. They thought if they are doing the data visualization, this is AI. If they are doing machine learning, this is AI. If they are doing chat GPT and they are using Gemini tools, this is all AI. This is just the tools. Okay. So like I will come to on that topic as well. First, we will just focus on this. So this is a like artificial, you can see here in this slide. If you look at these, the artificial intelligence is on the top layer. Okay. So this is the broader concept of creating machines that simulate the human intelligence. So under AI, this is a big umbrella. Many tools come under this. So this is the top level. And then machine learning. Under this, the machine learning come up. And under machine learning, there is a deep learning. So these are the 3 different layers. So when we are using the term AI, if you are a beginner, you don't know what is the difference between AI, ML, and DL. So here is your answer. So AI only like the way to create a machines that simulate the human intelligence. This means I will give you the example like the chatbots, right? Self-driving car and face recognition. So this is all the artificial intelligence which can understand the human like behave like a human, and they can understand what when they are talking to you and like a chatbot. Okay, so these are the examples. So this is called artificial intelligence. And then if we talk about the machine learning is a subset of AI focused because it come under AI. So what is this? This is teach the machines to learn from data. When you will start your journey, you will reach at this level. Your first fundamental level will be to learn after programming is machine learning. You will learn if I am giving you the data set, or let's say you are doing the boot camp, you're taking doing a degree, so they will provide you the data set and they will ask you to do with it, and using this data prepare a machine which can understand this data and predict something. So this is the major difference. If I give you the example of machine learning, house sale predictions, like if you have a number of houses data and you know like each house has a how many rooms, how many bathrooms, what are the area of the house, how many garage, so you can predict the price of the house. So this is called machine learning. So there is a no human interaction, right? It is not like senses the emotions of the human. There is a no chatbot. If you are asking the question, no, right? So this is the pure like how you are building the machine, and your machine is learning from the data. Okay. But on the other side, artificial intelligence is just like a chatbots, just the top level, right? And then if we talk about the deep learning is a subset of machine learning. So this involves the training artificial neural networks with multiple layers to model. So this is a little bit more technical for you, but this means if I give you an example as a layman, like again, I will take an example of your house sale price, right? If you are applying the deep learning algorithm here, or like here, what it will do? It will go at a more deeper level and try to understand the all features, like how many bathrooms in the garage and area, and then it will predict the price of the house. So this works like a human brain. Like if you are giving the data to the machine, it will give the senses, like how if you are putting something hot on your hand, how your mind will come to know this is hot. If you are putting some cold, how your mind come to know this is cold, right? The same way deep learning algorithm works. So we just give the input and it will work with the multiple layers, okay, instead of using the normal algorithms. Okay, so this is called deep learning. This is the very complex model and it will try to find out the more good result sometime with the complex data than the machine learning. Okay, if I give you one more example about the deep learning, this is the, if we are providing the images, we are providing the music videos, we are providing the data from the Facebook, audio, video, files, right? It's too complex data. At that stage, these algorithms work very well. Okay. So this is the like just the top level, like the things I am telling you. Okay, if you want to know more about it, you feel free to contact me. You can post your question in the comment box. Okay, so this is the AI. I have done all these three things. So then you will become the data scientist. If you have a plan to become a data scientist, if you like after transitioning your career, then you need to go through all these three layers. Okay. And now, and don't worry, it's not so tough. Only you need to, what you need to do, you should be like very determined. You should have a lot of patience and you need to be, every time you have to be very curious. What will happen if I will do this, and what will happen if I will apply this algorithm, this method to this. So then you will be able to like learn the AI. It's really, believe me, it's a fun. Okay. So now we will move ahead with the different AI tools. Now, before starting this topic, I would like to say you like as per my experience, um, in today's time, we have seen many tools are in the market like ChatGPT, right? This is our best friend now. So we are using it. It's a very useful tool, right? But this is the like tool you are using. It doesn't mean you are learning AI. Okay. So this is the facility for you by the AI tool. So you can do everything using the AI, like the chat GPT. On the other hand, there is a Gemini AI tool, right? If you know how to use it, it doesn't mean you know how to implement the algorithms. You are only using it. Okay, this is very good for technical, non-technical people. It is like solving the problems of every, like the students or other people's, right? But there are, apart from these, there are so many other tools are available in the market which make your work so easy, right? But as per my experience, if you want to be a like data engineer, data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, data architecture, or maybe research data scientist, statistician, then you need to follow the path. Okay, using these tools, you cannot like become these the like cannot become data scientist, data analyst, or business analyst. The positions I have mentioned a few seconds ago. Okay. if you really want to be like, I'm in this field more than 8 years now. Previously, I was working as a software developer. After 9 years, I switched into the AI. Okay. But I have learned each and everything. I have worked as a business analyst with the many industries. I have worked as a data scientist. Now I am in the teaching. So I have a lot of experience at each and every step, but I have like completed all my basic steps. Then you will be able to become data scientist, data analyst, and whatever you want to be. Okay. These tools can help you. Okay. So don't take it as a like, if you know how to use it, you will become what? What you have, what you are thinking. Okay. Now, this is the like roadmap. Okay. The very, very first step, I will tell you if you are doing the degree from the college, or either you are pursuing using the boot camp, pursuing your career using boot camp in AI, right? So both are good. Choice is your, right? Many students ask me this question, which like the way is better? Should I go with the degree, or should I just do the boot camp, or should I do the small courses? What are more beneficial? How many chances to get the job if I'm doing a degree in person from the best university, or if I'm doing the boot camp? As per my experience, it depends upon you, right? Because everybody has its like the manage the thing. Everybody need to be manage their things, right? Some people are working, but they still want to transit their career in AI. And the biggest problem is they cannot join the university, right? Some people may have a money issues, right? Because courses are not so we can say it's expensive, right? So this is there are so XYZ reasons behind this. So there is a no problem if you want to start your career from the free tutorials, free websites, and you are doing the small courses. The when you are going for the interview, the company only and only will see your skills when they will take your interview. They are not going to ask you, have you done the degree? Have you done the boot camp? Have you done the courses from Udemy or any online academy? It doesn't matter. Okay. Few very rare companies, they required the university degree to become eligible for the job interview. Okay. But on the other side, there are many opportunities you can get the job. It totally depend upon you. Okay. So now the very first thing is what you should learn when you are when you have decided now I am transit my career into AI. The very, very first step is programming. Okay. So in programming, you should learn the Python. Python is the most widely simple, readable language I have ever seen in my career. I have done so many languages like Java, PHP, C, C++, HTML, JavaScript, but Python is more simple and very, very good language. Okay, it contains so many good libraries. It will if you are writing a code in C language, to print string or slice a string, you need to write a 2 or 3 piece of code. But in Python, you only need to write only one line of code. And if you're drawing a graph, in Python, you can draw a graph only with the one line. Can you believe? But if you are writing the same code to draw a graph in C, C++, Java, or some other language, you need to write a number of lines. So this is very easy. Even you are from the non-technical background, don't worry about it. You can easily learn it. Okay, I will provide you a few free resources as well. You can also subscribe to my channel. I used to post a video and you can do the coding with me, what I'm doing in the video. Okay, so the approximate time for this to learn is 15 days. I'm giving you the approximate. Estimation, this is not for sure. It depends upon your speed, your like how quick learner you are. It totally depend upon you. But as per my experience, on an average, students are able, will be able to learn the basic Python in 15 days. Okay, but don't forget to do the practice. If you do daily, like let's say 1 hour or 2 hours Python practice, then you will be able to cover up in 15 days, the basic one. Okay, so this is the very, very first step after the understanding the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Okay, okay, I would like to add a one more thing here. The very first step when you transit your when you decided you are going to transit your career into AI, you should decide what you want to become. It's very important. In my upcoming video, I will tell you why and how. Because I will give you the small explanation here. If you decide to become a data analyst, then there are some skills you need to focus on, those skills more than other skills. Okay, so that's why you should know in start what you want to become: data analyst, business analyst, and data scientist, data architect, or research. So because you need to learn the different tools. Basic tools are same for all positions, but you need to be specialized in specific tool for the specific position. Okay, I will discuss all these things in my upcoming video. Okay, today we will only talk about roadmap. So now the second thing is, if you good in a math and stat, then you are good to go. This is the backbone of AI. Okay. Although this is even if you thinking, oh, it's tough for me, stat and math, it's okay. You don't need to be like expert in math and stats. You should know the basics. I will tell you very simple, like the very fun loving math websites. So you would love it. Okay. So in this, you need to focus on linear algebra, probability, calculus, and other things as well in the mathematics and stats. If your speed is good, you will be able to cover up the basics in this in 15 to 20 days approx. Okay, because this is another big question in how much time we will be able to finish our journey to achieve our goal. Okay, so I am giving you the like a duration, only the approximate time. Okay, and after that, when you are done with these two things, the next goal is you need to do the data visualization and manipulation. Okay, because now you know the stats, you know how to look at the data, what kind of data you have, right? And you know the language, how you need to write the program in the notebook. Sorry. So you need to learn these library from the Python, like NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplot. The NumPy we use, Pandas and NumPy we use for data wrangling, data transformation. So NumPy we use for mathematical calculation. Very important. So these four libraries are mandatory and you have to learn. Okay, if you how do practice using these for library as much as you can. Okay, but it doesn't mean you you need to be too much master, but try to use it as much as you can, and you will, because without these four libraries you can't survive in AI. Okay, and after that, when you are done with the visualization, the next part is your machine learning, and then deep learning, and then GitHub. Okay. So this is the next tools you need to learn. It will take, as per my experience, for beginner 3 to 4 months. It can be 5 months. It depends again on you, your progress, how quick learner you are, how much time you are devoting per day. You will be able to finish in 3 to 4 months if daily you are like giving 4 to 5 hours to your study. Then you will be definitely able to finish the main or most important algorithm. I'm not saying you will become master, but you will have a complete basic knowledge. Okay. And then when you are done with these four tools, your next goal is to become a specialized in one domain. Okay. Till here, these are the mandatory skills for all kind of positions. Okay. Either you want to be data analyst, data scientist, business analyst, all are mandatory. Okay. But after doing this, like if you want to be a business analyst, then there are many other tools you need to be learned, like Tableau, Power BI, Quick Link View, many other tools available in the market. Okay. But about all these things according to role, what skills you should learn and get specialized in which skills, I will discuss in next video. Okay. So this is the first step of your AI learning roadmap. I'm sharing all these things as per my experience because these are the most important two questions come up from every student. How much time and how should I follow the path? Okay. Now we will go on to the next slide. This is everybody's question. Once you have finished your like boot camp, online degree, or courses, whatever you are doing since 3 or 4 months, or maybe 6 months. Now you are thinking how to get a job, right? Without experience. This is a big question mark. And this is the question mark when you are thinking to transit your career in AI, right? So I will guide you and I recommend all these things to my all students who just come as a beginner and they are transit their career into AI, right? Because you are devoting so much time, money, dedication, everything you are sacrificing many things to learn the AI, right? So my goal is you should follow the correct path so you can achieve your goal. This is my goal. Okay, so now we will come here. The very first thing after completing your the study, okay, although I will say when you reach at the level of machine learning, let's say you have started to learn the machine learning, you are done with visualization, mathematics and Python. I would suggest you just to start reading the technical questions side by side. Even if you spent only 10 minutes and you read only 5 questions, MCQ, one day MCQ, and one day you can do the descriptive questions, right? And on the weekend, you can do only one technical question with the code. Okay, so this will help you to be get ready for job. Okay, the very first thing is we call it developing a job ready portfolio. Very first thing, when you are doing the boot camp, definitely you will work on the real time projects. When you are doing the projects, make it very, very professional. And if you need a guidance on that, you can contact me. Okay, or in the upcoming video, I will try to make a video in which I will show you how you can make your job portfolios very, very professional and try to do a 2 or 3 projects, but do it like it should be when interviewer is looking at your the project, they should understand it very well. It should be very good readable, professional, proper comments, headings, coding, logics you have put, what is your goal, what you are trying to do with the data, everything should be self explanatory. Okay, so this is very important, very important. And when you start doing the programming, this should be from your goal from day one, right? Like for example, if you have finished the basic data type of Python list, tuples, dictionary, and other data types, just make a one small program, right? And just start uploading on your GitHub profile because Git is a very, very important tool you need to learn. Okay. And the second thing is create a GitHub repository to host your project. So you have seen when you are applying the job, you need to make a GitHub portfolio, right? So you can share the link with the interviewer. This is very important, very important. Many students, I understand, due to lack of time, if you are working, right? If you're a student, you are doing any other degree, and side by side you are learning the AI, so you don't get the time. But before transitioning into AI, you need to do the time management. Okay, because you are going to spend so much time, then why you need to compromise here? After doing the boot camp degree, if you don't get the job, what is the use of those things, right? So what you need to do, you need to maintain these things from the start. The third thing is document the projects with the detailed write-ups, as I told you, visualizations, okay, and earn the certifications to validate your skills. Either you are doing online course, degree, this is very important, okay. So this is like about the job portfolio when you start doing your degree and you like and boot camp. So this is the way next step of your AI roadmap. Okay, this is the most important step as well, right? If you want to get a job. And now we will talk about prepare yourself for job market. How would you prepare for yourself? Now your job portfolio is ready. You will say, I have this portfolio. I'm done with this. This is not finishing here, my dear. So here you need to optimize your resume and portfolio for AI ML roles. Okay. When you have a clear vision, clear goal from the start, you want to become data analyst. Maybe you have decided you have some you have a dream company, you want to apply in that, right? So make a list of the companies from the start, keep it side by. When you are done with your study, you have a good profile, just make a resume according when they have an opening according to them, and start sending them the resume. Okay, don't share your same resume with every company. Just read their descriptions properly, job duties, what they are asking for, and then share your resume and your portfolio. Make a list of company, select the city, country, remote, hybrid, on-site, whatever you want. Okay. And the second thing is practice coding and technical interviews using platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, very good places to practice your code. Okay, highly recommended, because when you are doing the coding, like let's say 3 4 months, you will become so good in programming, and just keep practicing even after finishing your degree or boot camp. Otherwise, you will start forgetting the things. Okay. And then participate in Kaggle competition, hackathons to gain experience. This is my one of favorite Kaggle website. I also participated in some competitions, and when I was learning the AI, I start to learn AI. I did so many notebooks here on the Kaggle, and it was a very like the good effect on your resume as well. As per my personal experience, many good companies, when they conduct a competitions on them, there is also the prices of the competitions, and sometimes they hire the people from the Kaggle. If you have a good like the score on the leaderboard, they may you have a chances to get hired from Kaggle as well. Okay, so try to participate in this, because you will get a real time experience here. You will get a chance to talk with the maybe experienced people, beginners, intermediate. You can build your team here, and you can work together, because AI is something you need to discuss with someone at each and every step. Okay, because so many questions will come when you will start learning. It's a fun when you learn the AI. It's very interesting, interesting, believe me. So these are the classical way, right? Traditional way to learn the AI. Okay? Don't If you really want to be a good programmer, good data scientist, or expert in this field, so you can get a job whenever you are applying, and companies also want the people like this, right? If they don't want the only people who can use the AI tools, right? Because every tool is going to be in a automation, right? So the jobs will be in the market who can like customize the things, who can work on the data, like who can build the software. So the companies require those people. It is a still initial level. In the upcoming years, there will be the so much people available in the market, right? So to do AI. Now, the fourth thing is network through LinkedIn AI communities and meetups. This is very important. Like when you are like thinking to like keep your to start looking at the job, you should have many connections. Start make if you don't have a LinkedIn profile, just make it today. And if you need a help, you can post your comment. I will help you. So LinkedIn is the very very important play important role in getting a job. You start making the like your network with the professional people because it will help you to keep you updated, and you can discuss sometime problems with them, and this is my personal experience as well. When I started learning, I contact many like the people in AI who were very senior, like more than 10 years experience. I took the guidance from them, and in many cases, and I was able to succeed, right? So this is very important. You should join the AI communities. You should join the like any events which is happening near your place, maybe in person, online, remote, whatever. Okay. So these are the important things while you are transitioning your career in AI along with your academic study. Students do the academic study, but they forgot to do these things. And after finishing their degree, if their degree is 2 years, 3 years, then they start doing these things. So what is the use? You are going to spend another 6 months on these things. So try to manage the time, okay? And before decide anything, just make your chart. Okay, so this is very important. And now, yay, this is the like you achieve your goal, and after this, like you will be able to get a job. Okay, and this was all about today's video. And thank you so much watching my video. I will share the external links as well in the video, and who want to learn the Python, I will share the link of the YouTube videos as well. If you have any question, feel free to post your comment in the comment box. Happy learning, happy AI, and happy data science. Bye bye.